Okay, hi, it's Andy again. We've made some progress on the tank, and the stand rather. Tank's been done for a while. But I thought I'd show you what I've got, and then again, if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. So you can see that we finished up a lot of the wrapping of the tank, and I thought I'd show you some of the more functional aspects of what I did to see if you'd like it. So coming over and we'll see. So you'll see in the front, the shelf only goes so far back, and that's because on the one side here, I've got my electronics board, and that's where I'm going to have, you can see there's actually ability to get down and up from here in the back, and I'll show you what that looks like here. So if you turn this around, what you'll notice in the back is holes that I've got here, as well as through here and here. So that way I can get into that, get into whatever I need in the back. And you'll see this is an open area behind the tank so that you can actually get wires or pipes through. And so on the back, you'll see that it goes past the tank and does that. It's the same thing here. If you'll see the bulkheads up inside here. There you go. But the bulkheads are inside, and those pipes will come through and then over. The door will cover this area. But then on the back, what you'll notice is that these then go down, this around so you can see it. So you'll notice through here, the bulkheads come through and then head down and through this plywood and then into the sump. And so then I'll bring it on the other side back up. But this allows me to essentially hide those pipes. As I mentioned, this is a peninsula tank, so I'm trying to deal with having the side drilled versus the back. Since it's tempered, I can't re-drill that. Anyway, this is where the stand sits. And I'll post another video where I do the remainder of the canopy as well as all the trim work. But any suggestions, please let me know. Thank you.